think you are training hard. You might actually be killing your progress without even knowing it. Today, I'll expose the 5 biggest beginner mistakes in the gym and show you how to fix them. First mistake, ego lifting. Lifting too heavy with bad form is the fastest way to get injured and see no growth. Fix, drop the weight, nail your form, and progress gradually. Remember, heroes build strength with discipline, not ego. Second mistake, skipping leg day. Everyone loves big arms, but your legs are your foundation. Weak legs mean weak overall strength. Fix, add squats, lunges, and deadlifts. A strong foundation builds a powerful body. Third mistake, too much cardio. Sure, running burns fat, but if you're spending hours on the treadmill, you're burning away muscle too. Fix, balance cardio with strength training. Think of cardio as a sidekick, not the main hero. Fourth mistake, ignoring nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. If you're eating junk, no amount of gym time will save you. Fix, focus on protein, whole foods, and water. Your body is like a car. Fuel it right, and it performs like a beast. Fifth mistake, inconsistency. 1 week on, 2 weeks off. That's not training, that's guessing. Fix, stick to a schedule. Even 3 solid workouts a week beats 7 random ones. Heroes show up every time. So there you go, the 5 mistakes holding back your gains. Here's my challenge. This week, focus on fixing just any mistake. Master it, then move to the next. Remember, progress comes from discipline. Train smart, train hard, train like a hero. J Fit Hero. Be your own hero.